Okay, let's have your new song entitled Chandelier. But before that, I just want to greet you a Happy New Year. Okay, let's have here the OR or the opening remarks. Okay, here in the I'm, that is what we call prolonger. Gonna swing. Yeah. Remember this one? This is the twirling of voice because you are swinging. Okay. From the chandelier. This is twice a day. That is breakfast and before bedtime. From the chandelier. There's two I'm, so this is also prolonger. Gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist. You see this one? Okay, I see it too. Okay, let's have this one. Like doesn't exist. Ayan, diba? You see this also? Okay, we see both. Okay. Next. Okay. Bye. Again, let's do it together. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier twice a day. From the chandelier, I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist. Like doesn't exist. Okay. Bye. See? So smooth and so basic.